see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Congratulate si Kuya. Tapos na rin si Jan. And yung hotel namin, nandyan lang. Oh, ang sarap. May paganyan. Yung table namin. Miss yan si Tita Race eh. Ayan o. So, ito yung isa.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So, baka hindi na kami sasama sa golf lesson ni Sa kasi ang aga ng golf lesson ni Sa. Mag-i-impake pa ako. Okay. Sa, good luck to your golf lesson. Mommy's not gonna come, okay? Because mommy need to pack up, okay? Okay? Love you. Do you want to vlog, Holly? What you gonna do if you're gonna have a vlog? What you gonna do? Tell them.
I'm gonna
Cook. So, gagawa siya ng sarili niyang channel na magluluto rin siya. What else, Baba? Tingnan yung mukha ko. Oh. Puno siya ng Mario Bades. Tad-tad, ha? Come on.
I love you.
I love you too.
And I'm gonna cook some food for you guys.
What kind of food? Oh, what you gonna cook for them? Tell them. Huh?
I'm gonna cook
Like what? What kind of food you gonna cook?
suka.
Suka? And what else? Suka daw lulutuin niya. What else aside from suka? Ano pa? Dali.
And bawang.
And bawang. And ano pa? Dito ka tingin. And bawang, what else? Ha?
And
Ano pa?
and
Bilis.
suka.
Yeah, you already said suka. What else?
And
Oh, siya na humahawak. Oh, sige, ikaw. Oh, sige. Suka and what? Oh, kunwari. What? You have to look here, not the screen. And what? Don't show mommy. And what?
and toyo.
Toyo. And what else? You have to look here, Baba, not the screen. And what?
Suka.
You already said suka. So, parang lulutuin mo adobo.
Sibuyas.
Ah, sibuyas. And ano pa? Adobo pa lang. Adobong walang, walang laman. Adobong lasa lang ang lulutuin niya. Ewan ko, 6 minutes na to, Baba. And
I'm gonna cook soon.
you're gonna cook soon. You're gonna cook soon? And say, abangan.
Bayang.
I say, abangan.
Ayang bayang.
Don't do this, Mama, because that's for the camera. Say, abangan. Don't touch this one. Say, abangan.
Ayang bang.
No, abangan.
Abayan.
Ako sa'yo. Magdidikpit na ako dito. And si Holly, ayan pala, nagsasapatos na siya. Baba! So, dikpit na tayo dito. Ako pala.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.
Tapos na ako magligpit dito and ayan na yung mga bagahe namin. Ilalagay na lang yan sa sasakyan pagdating ni Jan. Yes, baby. Mickey Mouse. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Gumagawa siya. Ayun nga. Parang nga siyang si Mickey Mouse. Ayan ba yung ears? Ayan yung head. Yeah, good job, Baba. And, nakalimutan ko. I-haul ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko. Wait lang. Habang wala pa yung mga boys.
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Ano siya, Baba? So, eto. Nabili ko to sa MCL. Parang tagilid kayo. Wait lang, ha? Wait. Eto, nabili ko to sa MCL. $25 yata to. Ganyan siya, oh. Hindi ko na kung ang to. Basta may ganyan siyang ganap, oh. Yung malambot na tela. Wait, baby, wait. Nag-hold din siya. Tapos, ano siya? Mini dress? Baba, excuse me.
What's this one?
Ayan. Ganyan.
Yes.
Tapos, may tali siya dito. Kasi, ayan. Ito, may butas dyan. And then, pag inabis mo yan, ganyan siya. Para siyang, yung maliligo ka lang. Ganon. Tapos, ipapasok mo yung, ito yung tali niya. Dito sa, yun mo yung isa. Dito sa butas. Then, parang irarap mo siyang ganon. Basta, maganda siya.
This is it, Mom. You have to. This is
Mamadali
a
ako
jumper.
kasi, makaabutan ako ng boys.
This is for your boobs.
Ano?
See this?
Basta yan, ganyan siya guys. So, maganda to.
Mom,
Cute.
this is-
Pero feeling ko
Mom,
kahit
Mom,
mayroon siyang,
Mom,
oh,
This is for
yeah.
your boobs.
Kahit may lining siya dito, manipis pa rin. So, kailangan siya ng, siguro mag-cycling na puti or
Mom,
bahala na. Ha? Come here. Ito yung isa. And come here. Tingnan nyo siya. Show it to them. How the Carabao dito. Come on. Sinusukat niya kasi.
This is it for your boobs.
Oh, this is for your boobs. Kasi may padding siya, guys. White din to. Mahilig ako sa white.
Do you
So,
like
eto
that?
din. Ano to?
Mom,
Magkano to?
Mom.
Wait, $25 siya. Dati siyang $56.99.
It's like,
Nakasale siya. Be quiet. Okay. $25 siya. So, dati siyang $59.99. Size 10. Ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos, may zipper siya dito. Yung hidden ang ano niya, zipper. Yung hindi kita. Ayan, oh. Tapos, adjustable yung strap. Eto din, adjustable din to. Ayan, adjustable din to. So, puti. Eto, magkaiba yung tela nila. Pareho maganda. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano i-explain yan, guys. Basta ito, para siyang, alam mo yung pin niya? Yung parang mga barong-barong. Pero yung barong, ginagawang barong sa atin. Pero, malambot. Ayan yung kanyang texture. O, ganyan. Baby, wait. And, ayan, mayroon din siyang lining dito. Ganyan. Basta pareho sila maganda sa dalawang dress na puti. And another white. Ito, cute din to. Sinukat ko to kagabi. Kaso madilim kasi sarado na yung ilaw kasi tulog na yung mga kasama ko. So, eto, cute din to, oh. Ano lang siya, para siyang
I don't want
one piece
to
lang siya
what?
ganyan. Tapos,
No.
may garter yung kanyang,
No,
dito ba? May garter dito sa
No.
arms or sa braso. Bobby, excuse me. And may pagtali siya dyan, oh. Magkano to?
Fire.
25 din siya, oh. $25. Nakasale siya, $25. Dati siyang $49.99. So, maganda yung tela niya din. Tapos, meron din siyang ganon, lining dito. Pero parang maninipis.
What? No.
So, siguro ganun pagputi. Parang kita pa rin kahit meron siyang lining dyan. So, yan ang kanyang itsura. May tali dyan. So, ito yung sa MCL na mga puti. Baby, can you be quiet first, please? And, another one, sa MCL ulit. Ito yellow. Gustong-gusto ko rin ang yellow. White, yellow. Lahat naman siguro. Pero, sa more sa white ako. And, ganitong kulay. So, may ano siya dyan, ganyan na ganap. May pa-flits. And, mayroon din siyang lining.
Mom, is this
And
for
adjustable
dancing?
yung kanyang,
Mom,
yes,
is that
strap.
for dancing?
No, not for dancing. And, ayan, may zipper siya na yung nakatago ba? Ayan.
Oh, in the bag.
Okay, you put that in the bag. And eto naman nabili ko sa Top yata to. White ulit. Eto, white. Eto, $9.99. Hindi to naka-sale. $9.99. Spaghetti lang siya. Tapos may details dito na parang tinali siya na hindi. Alam mo yun? Paano ba yun explain? Ganyan. Parang pa-ekes. Ganyan siya. Then, yellow. So, parang white and yellow lang. The same nung white na pinakita ko sa inyo. Kasi ito parang mustard naman siya. Meron tong black kaso wala yung size na gusto ko. Kasi ito size, ano to? Size 8. $9.99 din. And, ito naman, may padding na spaghetti. Ayan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-black kasi meron na siyang padding, oh. Magkano to? $7.99. Size M ako. Ayan. Black. And brown. Same nun, ano din siya, may padding. $9.99. $7.99. So, yun yung mga napamili ko. Yung boys, nakita nyo na kasi ginamit na nila yung kanilang sinuot. Tapos, ano pa bababa? Yun lang. So, wala na. Ito lang yung napamili ko.
Hey, I am putting down.
Ah, okay. Siya na naglalagay. Okay.
Mom?
What are you doing with it?
Trying on.
Oh, wow.
Dito na sila, guys.
Wait,
Wow.
wait.
Did you go, Zach? Ayan, nagsusuka talaga si Holly. How did you go?
They done well, Zachy boy.
Me.
Very good. You did. Good boy. Oh, careful. Look at this one. Do you like it?
Oh, yeah.
What do I have to get
Here's
changed?
Zach.
Getting changed.
There's your...
Oh, magsi-uwi
What
na
do I have to
kami.
get changed?
That's yours.
Do you like this one?
Yeah.
Look nice?
Huh? Pack your clothes up.
Yep. Okay, Baba, let's go. What's that, Sa?
Oh.
Gusto niya mag-swimming. Uwian na na.
What?
Hindi na pwedeng mag-swim. Ito naman si Holly eh.
Where I put it?
Si Sak ayaw niya magsapatos. Ayan, gamit niya naman yung kanyang tsinelas. And gusto niya mag-swimming dito, oh. Kasi ang swimming pool, nandito lang naman sa may ano namin, oh. Bungad. Ayan. So, what are you doing? Don't open that one.
If I knock that.
Yun, arty-arty niya tumakbo, oh. Ang arty-arty mo tumakbo, Baba.
Now.
Ito pala yung ano, bench nila, race. So, hindi naman nila kailangan. So, hiningi ko na lang, di ba? Hiningi ko talaga. Para sa pandagdag dun sa aking, ano, pagola na mayroong parang mini-mini gym ko no, pero na hindi ko naman ginagamit. So, ayan. Thank you, Race and Dan. So, hindi naman.
So you can push that thing up.
Yeah. Hindi naman ako nagkakasya yung aming mga gamit. Okay. Kasha. How are you gonna close that high? I think it's a bit high. Yep. Okay, kunin pa natin yung iba. Thanks, Kuya. Where's your hat?
My bag.
Okay. Munti ko nang makalimutan yung aking charger dito, tsaka phone. Okay. Ito.
Like on front.
Yeah,
back.
front. Yeah.
You try that
Akin na
one.
yan. No, you take that one. Kuya, Holly, bring this pillow, Papa. Honey, your tihan. Sayang nito isa. Sayang yan. Grab the pillow, please. And I think we're good. Wala nang naiwan. Sa ilalim. Ayun na ako yung pillow ni Mami. Ayan, come on. Okay. Banyo. Okay, huh? Okay, let's go. Get in the car, Papa. Yes, please. Thank you, Zach. Oh, nagkasya naman. Muntik nang hindi lahat. Okay. Yeah, you check it again, Han, please. See ya, Holly. Bye. Ito. Dito na lang yan. Dito siya sa may paahan ko. Bili dyan. Ano daw, mga Pilipino yung ano ba, yung mga nagtatrabaho dito kasi naririnig niya mga nagtatagalog. Yes?
It's Philippines. I feel like.
Yeah. Philippines. People in the Philippines are Filipino and Filipina. Like you're Australian. You're from Australia. I'm Filipina because I'm from Philippines. Okay? Is it all good, Han? Okay. Okay ka man, salamat. Ayaw ni Kuyang ipakita yung kanya sumpa dyan sa kanyang kamay. Yung may ano ba, yung sarilo, ayun, tinatago niya.
For what?
For the lips.
Yeah.
Can I one?
Oh, of course. Holy to. Diba? Ganyan talaga, dapat lahat.
It's getting
Are you
better in the potato.
Is it getting better, Kuya? Let me see.
No.
I'm not gonna show it, Kuya. I will edit this one, Kuya. Ayaw niya talaga ipakita yung kanyang ano. Ang ganito kasi kalaki, as in sarilohan na. Eto ba dito mismo? Yes, I'm coming. Nagpapabook na ulit si Jam para next week kasi may event dito sa Adelaide. So, punuan ang mga hotel. So, andun siya. Magpapabook siya ulit for next week. Alright, I'm going. Okay, I'm not coming. I'm going to the Philippines.
Well, Mom, you always say no.
Kasi ako lagi no sa mga bagay-bagay ba. Si Jan naman, okay lang. Ako yung mano, kaya ayaw nila ako kasama kasi pag may gusto sila, no. Why, Mom? Okay, I'm going back to the Philippines, Kuya, okay?
Why?
Can I come next weekend? Huh? Or I'll go back to the Philippines while you're in Adelaide?
Say yes, because Dad always say yes whatever you want to buy.
No, it depends, Sak. Not all things or anything you want is always yes. No. Sometimes I have to say no because sometimes you don't need that stuff and sometimes you don't need to do that. No, not really. Not really. Kasi nga, ako talaga si no kaya ayaw nila akong kasama. Like kahapon, si Sak gusto niyang tawagan ni Jan, yung friend kasi 'di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo, mayroong kaibigan si Jan, mayroong kakilala si Jan na nandoon, taga doon sa amin na nandito rin sa Adelaide. Tinatanong ako ni Jan kung saan kami magdi-dinner, kung may plano raw ako. Sabi ko, wala. Sabi ko, hindi ko pa alam. Pero ka-text ko na si Ray. So hindi ko lang masabi sa kanila kasi gusto namin silang i-surprise na pupunta sila sa golf. Kasi hindi na rin natuloy kasi nga mayroong nagtatrabaho sa bahay nila Ray. So sinabi ko kay Jan, kasi tatawagan niya talaga na mag-dinner na lang kami together with...
Don't talk too much. Don't talk too quick.
What?
You left your coffee.
No, I've got it.
No.
So, alis Saturday, balik Sunday.
When?
So, Friday.
Friday.
Oh, kasi Friday may golf sila sa...
Mom.
sa Bay, then kaya Saturday ang alis namin. Then Sunday balik. Ganun lang. Short, ano lang, trip. McDonald's para sa aking hot chocolate. Yung mga bata. Si ano lang, si Kuya, tsaka si...
Hot chocolate, that's it.
Si Sak.
No burgers, no nothing.
Ay, what do you want, Sak? Hot chocolate?
No.
No, thank you. Say no, thank you. What's that, baby?
Are you having one?
Yes, of course, my
What?
love.
Just a hot chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Like I'm having.
What's that, Baba?
Like you're having.
You want what I'm having?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are you having, Ollie?
Like the same of mine.
Yeah, you can have a drink in Mum's when it cools down.
Yeah, she can. I can share it with you, Baba, because it's
They're
very
too
hot.
hot. They're hot. Very,
They're
very
hot,
hot.
baby.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Thank
You
you.
too, thank you. Check.
It's gonna smell.
Ito kay Holly to, ang init pa. Ito yung hot chocolate ni Holly. Kinuhaan namin siya ng smoke kasi gusto niya din. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Yung dalawa nakatakip na ng mukha and si Sak binuksan niya yung ano, window. Ito yung kay Jan. Ipapalaman natin yung hash brown. And ayan, ayan na yung kanya. Here, honey.
What do you want, Holly?
And Ed, huh?
Going good with the diet so far.
Good diet daw to. Kasi sa akin yung double sausage and egg muffin. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, magda-diet na ako. Kasi lumalaki na aking tiyan at saka ang aking bambam.
So hot.
Ito yung pangalawa ni John. And si Holly, gusto niya ng inumin yung hot chocolate niya. Yung init-init. Ito na. And yung dalawa, para silang ano, parang ewan tong dalawa. Naka-cover talaga yung mukha nila.
Wow, look at that hash.
Hindi pa si Kuya maka-get over. So, nag-stop kami dito kasi pinapatapon niya na yung McDonald's.
Oh God, Daddy has a fruit there.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Just open the window. Ayaw niya yung smell. Babo, tingnan, ang lungkot niya, oh. Kasi yung hot chocolate niya hindi pa malamig. You wanna try mine, Baba?
She's asleep.
Not here.
Okay. Try. Okay, I'll try this one. Ito kasi yung kanya.
Mama's the same.
What?
It's still a bit hot. Try. Still hot. Yes.
Just a little bit, bub. Just pull it in slowly. Hold it properly.
Slowly.
You holding it?
Hold it,
Hold
Baba.
it properly.
Yeah.
Right.
And then sip a little bit, Baba.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit.
I need it.
What's
Still
wrong?
hot? Still hot?
Too hot.
Still hot?
Is that all right?
I need
We'll have some more if you
Have
want.
some more if you want, baby.
We'll just take the lid off and hold it for a minute. Let
Okay.
the steam come out. Just take the lid off now.
I will, honey.
Just let the steam
Yep,
out.
yep. Tayo naman dito guys sa car. Hey Papa, okay na yan. Careful, that is not hot. Hold it properly, ha? Turn it, Kuya, turn it. Okay. It's alright now. Hold it properly, good? Mag-stop kami dito sa OTR. Dito. Kasi kuha sila ng lunch. Ako okay na ako.
Please.
Kasi kumain ako kanina, di ba?
Don't grab it on the lid. Grab it on the bottom.
Si Holly, still ongoing pa siya sa kanyang hot chocolate. Baba, where's your hot chocolate, Baba? Okay, wait, baka bumay. Thank you, Kuya. Good catch, Kuya.
Daddy!
Kasing lakasan ng ano naman kanina.
My spot. Oh, go, darling. Go, darling.
Oh, yan si Holly. Gusto niya pumunta dyan, no? Kanina,
Dad, you're gonna have to go get
Look,
my hot
crashed.
where? Kanina, ang lakas na naman ng music namin, guys. As in. Nauna na yung mga bata. Andun na sila sa playground. Oh. Jamba. And orderan ko si Kuya ng hot dog with cheese and sauce. And then si Sak naman, sausage roll with ano ba yung kay Sak? Sausage roll with sauce. Dito ba? Dito naman kayo lagi kumakain ng lunch. Kami ni Jan hindi na kasi kumain kami ng McDonald's. Busog pa kami. Eto, mayroon silang Krispy Kreme pero hindi tayo niyang kukuha. So, eto yung kay Sak. Sausage roll with sauce. Yes, please. Thank you. And then kay Kuya hotdog. Asan yung? Mamaya nandun yung hotdog sa kabila. Ito na yung kay Zachary. Yung kay Kuya na lang ang hihintayin ko. Ito na si Kuya. Wala pa, Kuya. No. We're not getting donuts this time. Niluluto pa yung kay Kuya eh. Ayun yung kay Zach. Where's Zachary? Playground. Okay. With Holly? Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Thank you. See ya. Kuya, come on. Hoy. Come here.
Try again!
Other one. Rub it properly. Come on, Sak. Ito, si kulit talaga to. Dali, sprayan na kita. Come on. Out. No. You cannot go out there, Sak. Daddy, oh. Oh my God. Parang Philippines lang, oh. May magnanakaw po. Sak, you can't do that. You can't, Sak. Papagalitan ka dyan. No. Go down. Go down.
Oh, I just skinned my face.
Okay, go. Kulit ni Sak. Go, Baba. You can play, Baba, because you're full. You can play. Hindi ko rin siya binila na pagkain kasi busog din siya. Okay, come on here. Wash your hands. Because she's not eating. She's okay. Here, I don't want, Baba. Rub properly, please. Thank you. Go eat. Here.
Is this sauce?
Yes.
TJ, he's woofed that hot dog.
I know. Look. Ang lakas na ni Kuyang kumain. Ubus na yung hotdog niya, oh. Lowbat ako. Si Kuya, naubos niya na yung hotdog niya. And si Sak, busog na. Ayun, kinakain ni Kuya yung, yung leftover ni Sak na sausage roll. And si Jan, tawa ng tawa. Kasi grabe na tayong kumain si Kuya. Come on, Baba, we're going!
See ya!
Gino-joke niya.
Oh, cool, man.
Put this song.
Nag-request na si Sak. Anong song, Sak? Ayan na yung song ni
It's
Sak.
because we played good.
This one, Sak?
Oh,
The sun is coming up again. Looking like it's gonna be a problem. Cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you. Cause I just wanna feel like this again. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, and you left and right in the road. Whoa, up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, and you left and right in the road. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks, but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the shades again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night.
So, ito na yung next song namin.
Up and down, side to side, and
Magpa-fuel sana si Jan, kaso eto na naman, last time.
Last time's like that. This
Yes,
time's like
and
that.
then, so, Caltex kami. Si Kuya parang gusto niya yung ano doon.
Really don't.
Mayroon din siyang masarap na pagkain doon yung, si Jan pala yun. What do you like there, Han? The crab, what's that?
Huh?
The food that you like there, the crab
Steak.
Yeah, crab steak. Masarap yun.
Dad, my turn.
Hindi pala sa Caltex. Sa Shell kami pupunta, guys. Diyan,
Daddy, cool. No.
Dito tayo magpapagasolina. Ayan, tapos na magpagas. And si Holly, guys, tulog
Oh,
na.
wake her up.
Tulog siya. Ayan siya. Nakatulog na siya. Kanta kanina. And dance.
Dad, where am I sat now?
And kumuha ulit si Jan ng kanyang coffee. Coffee is life. How many coffee? 2? Ito Ito ang coffee niya. Hindi siya minom ng kape yung mainit. Cold coffee talaga siya. pa din. And si Kuya kagising niya lang. Si Sak hindi natulog. Ako nagnakaw ang konti. Eto, nag-concert dito. Naagawan siya ng parking. There, hi, in the middle. The middle.
What hair is that?
Bibili si Jan ng...
Who is that, Mom?
What you gonna get, Sak? What kind?
Whistle.
Whistle. Lolis. What?
Mom, who is that?
Tinatanong ni Sak kung sino daw to.
Your mom just
Kung,
told
Hello.
kung sino daw yung babaeng yan. Who's that, Han?
Yay!
Who's that, honey?
Yay!
Where's that at?
Bali yan. Who's that girl?
What happened to it? It's only been bloody not even a year.
Kasi nga ang taba ko na raw, guys.
Yay, Mom!
Sabi ni Sak, who's sitting next to that, Mom? Sasabi niya yan, the girl that I used to know.
Yay!
I don't think, you think so?
Yeah!
You think so? Do I look sexy there, Sak? How about now? How about now?
Because, Mom, you got all those dots in them.
May mga pimples ako. And what else?
Did you cover
And what else? What? My belly what? Sabi niyo kanina. What's my belly? Ano? Sabihin mo na. Ha? Hindi nakilala. Hindi ito nakilala ni Sak, guys. Oh.
Yeah, she can come.
Kaya hindi na ako kakain ng rice. Ibabalik ko to, guys. Ibabalik ko yan. Okay, Han? Baba, where are you going? Alright, see you. Love you.
Don't you look sexy again?
Honey, did you hear that, honey? What's that, Sak? What's that, Sak? Sak?
I want you to look sexy.
You want me to look sexy again, Zaki boy? Why? Am I not sexy to you now? Why?
A little bit.
Oh. How about you, Kuya?
Hmm?
Do I look sexy? No comment siya. How about me? How about my hair? Do I look sexy to you, Baba?
No.
Binubully ako ng sarili kong mga anak. Ayan na yung kanilang lollies. Show your lollies, Zach.
No,
Kasi Kuya.
whistle.
Whistle. Okay,
I
Kuya
got
Haribo.
I got whistles.
Yeah, whistles.
Hey,
Ayan yung lollies, oh.
from that.
Tinuturuan ni Kuya si Holly kung paano. Kasi first time ni Holly.
I don't know what that is.
Kumain niya ng lollies. Okay? Say thanks, Kuya.
Well, you try.
Oh, seatbelt.
Yeah.
Papa, you meant to do this?
No, you have to pull that one, Baba. Sure, Kuya Sak.
I like this.
Okay.
You have to put your lips on this
Okay,
and
and...
blow on it. Blow.
Yeah, and then you have to pull the...
Seatbelt on. It's on there a little bit.
Nakuha niya na. Okay, Baba, show us.
Turn it around.
Turn around, Baba. Yeah. Oh, you...
Remember, not on the hole. Don't cover.
Okay, go. Nakalakas. So, yan ang kanilang laruan.
I can do a whistle.
Yes, you can do now, Baba.
But Baba, can you do a whistle like this?
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, put that. I don't need one.
What? Nag-stop muna kami.
Cold, Zachy.
Nag-stop muna kami dito para makapag-stretch yung mga bata and makapaglaro dyan.
Help Holly.
Oh, help Holly. Oh, poor Holly. Ando na siya, oh. How far are we, Han?
50 minutes.
50 minutes pa kami
Oh, Baba.
bago makarating sa bahay ng si Holly.
Oh.
Pagod. Laro muna sila dyan. Ayan si Jan, nag-stretching din siya. Oh. And nag-grocery ako. Ayan si Jan, binabantayan si Alex. Nandito si Alex. Go, Papa! Oops!
We have to reach up higher.
Careful, Kuya, ha?
Get it on the single one. Hold the next one up. The other one. Huh?
It's not bouncing you. Daddy will go in, Baba. Look at Zaki boy. Go, Zach! Yung monkey bars daw andun. Oh. Ayan si Jan. Magsisiso-siso sila dito. Ayun si Sako, nasa monkey bar na naman siya. Ayan si Jan. Go, Baba! Are you bouncing now? Look at Sak. Are you alright, Sak? Go, Papa! Can you go up on like that? Let's see. Look at Daddy. Oh! She's so serious. Jan, look at somebody. Ang kulit nila. Go, Sak! Si Kuya kasi. Wow, Baba! Kuya! Sak! You were quick, Sak! He was fast! Go, Sak! Si Kuya he was fast, Han! Zachary! Go, Kuya! Go up! Go! Hurry up! Walang muscle si Kuya. Go, Sak! Here, Sak! 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 Here! No, baby, be careful, Baba. No, honey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Mag-unpack na kami lahat, magtutulong-tulong.
I'm gonna take a massive chair.
Ha? Massive chair?
Start tying all the stuff inside.
So, ito na itong vlog, guys.
Wanna help?
I am gonna help. Baba, let's... Come on. It's alright. Nakita niyo yung dog.
It's in that one.
See you na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
Vlog.
vlog. Bye. Bye. Bye, Baba. Say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.